Sarah Clark here to give you an overview of how to access remote learning if a temporary closure is needed. I will show you specifically where to access class links and homework assignments and review expectations for virtual learning. While we recognize the difficulty and challenges that remote learning may present, our goal during any temporary closure is to provide the same opportunities to students as they would have in school, on a schedule similar to their typical school day following their A/B learning days. Here's a general overview of our school remote learning plan, as well as links to general schedule overview for 7th grade. So here you can see it says full remote class schedule. You can click right on that link, and there's your schedule. Here is the related arts, full remote schedule. And then down below here is where you will see assignments listed, as well as the specific classes links. So looking at the 8A document, this has been cleared out now because I'm recording this on Friday. So I cleared it out to build it for the following week after Thanksgiving. But you can see we've all put in here our Google Meets links for if we were to go remote. And then the same thing for the B-Day. I call this button the bump out. Click that and it opens the document for you to view. And again, you can see everything. It's just like the A-Day. Students will follow their assigned A/B schedules with classroom teachers virtually on their typical in-person day, and complete assignments on their own on the opposite day. Teachers will set up Google Meet sessions. As you can see, we have them linked right there on our homework pages. Students will be expected to complete assigned work on the other days that they are not attending live classes. Teachers may not be available to answer questions as we will be teaching the other group of students. However, we are encouraging students to communicate to us through Google Classroom and email. That goes for parents as well. If you need anything, please email us. Special education and related services will be provided to students with an IEP. Service providers will send information and invitations virtually and will work with students around homeroom and classroom meetings as much as possible. To limit screen time whenever possible, these services will be offered on the off day when the student is not working with their general education teachers. Schedules may vary by provider and grade level. For additional opportunities, Related Arts will offer instruction on the opposite days of the classroom teacher. Example, if your child usually attends school on an A-Day, they will be invited to participate in their assigned Related Arts classes on their B-Day. If your child is a B-Day student, they will be invited on their A-Day. 6 through 8 Related Arts teachers will provide a link for participation for the Related Arts class. This will follow their school-related arts schedule and start times. Students are encouraged to set up sessions with the teachers on Wednesday if needed. On other days of the week, we encourage them to email us or put a private comment in Google Classroom. School meals will still be available for pickup as they were in the spring, and information will be shared by the school department when it is applicable. Student and family expectations for virtual meetings. Teachers and teams have developed classroom expectations with students here at school. Here are some general things that families should know about any remote learning experience. Attendance will be taken at each virtual session. Students will be expected to follow scheduled times and stay logged into classes until the session is done. Students are encouraged to have their camera on. Students will be encouraged to and ready to turn on their audio to participate in discussions and answer questions. To respect the privacy of other students in the class meetings, parents are encouraged to treat these sessions like a normal in-person class where they would not be present and observe other boundaries of regular instructional day sessions. Serious privacy issues demand that parents and guardians contact building administration should they want to visit a classroom with advance notice. Recording of sessions is not allowed due to student privacy. Technology needs. We do not want technology to be a barrier to any family in the event that we have to implement remote learning. Earlier this year, we distributed devices and hotspots to any family that requested them. At this time, all hybrid students in grades 4 through 8 have devices that are brought home between home and school daily. Should you have any technology needs now, please reach out to your child's homeroom teacher, the guidance office, or administration. Thank you. I hope this helped. And on behalf of the rest of the 7th grade team, we appreciate all you're doing at home to support and assist the learning process this year. Your students are the real rock stars here. They've been resilient, patient, and simply amazing so far. We are all in this together, and we really appreciate everything you're doing at home to support us. Again, if you ever need anything, please reach out to us by email. Thank you.